Tower sites can experience negative cash flow in two main ways. One is if the tower loses an anchor tenant, and the other is if the ground lease payment exceeds what the tower company receives from its tenants. In the past, carriers built these original tower sites and then sold them to the tower companies. However, as carriers consolidate, some towers may become cold steel with no tenants. For instance, if a Nextel tower is adjacent to a T-Mobile tower, T-Mobile may terminate the Nextel lease after consolidation, leaving the tower without revenue once the lease expires. This scenario is the most common cause of negative cash flow for towers. Tower companies actively seek to reduce or abate rent on such sites until new tenants join. While rare, some areas, particularly on the west and east coast like California, may have tower sites where the tower company pays more than it earns due to challenging regulations, especially for municipalities and school districts. Ultimately, if a tower remains in significant negative cash flow, the tower company may consider removing it unless there are promising opportunities for lease up. If the tower company pays $1,000 or less per month with potential lease up, the tower is likely to be retained.